Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to wire a flow switch. Okay, that will work automatic. And inside the flow switch we have three wires. We have the black cable, the brown, and then the blue. And then the black, we normally use it for common, and then the blue for normally open, and then the brown normally close. Okay, so inside these are the cables that we have: the black, blue, and then brown. And you can use these two in any kind of purpose. Okay, you can use it either when you raise this one like this, it can energize this, or when it comes down like this, it can energize this. That's why we have normally open and then normally close. You can use it depending on the work, depending on how you want it to function. So we are using these three components to do the automatic for this guy wiring. Okay, so we go ahead and then you connect the blue wire to the circuit breaker. Okay, so now the blue is connected, then the black here is going to A2. Okay, all right, so the black is connected to A2. And also I have a diagram to explain to you how this guy will function. Before then, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and then you press the like button. And then if you have anything to share with me, you can write it on or in the comment section. Okay, so guys, you can see that we have L1, then neutral. Okay, so this is how it goes. This guy here is the symbol of this flow switch, and this also here is a symbol of this guy. Okay, and we are going to wire according to the wiring diagram, the flow switch wiring. Okay, so the power will flow through here. Okay, so I can put a circuit breaker also here. All right, I can put this guy here like this. Okay, okay, never mind, we can do something like this, but normally it should be something like this. Okay, but no problem, you for the tutorial sake. Okay, so the power will flow from here, okay, to this flow switch, and then the flow switch, when it closes, there will be a current that flows from here to this contactor. So when this contactor also need a neutral to close, so you see that the neutral also will be connected to A1, and then the live wire from the flow switch will be connected to A2. Okay, so we'll do it and see how it works. Okay, so now we have this guy which is a neutral. This is my neutral, and we'll connect it to A1. Okay, so you connect this to A1, and then this guy here is connected from this circuit breaker. So when it goes through this flow switch, the power will come to A2. So let's energize it and see how it works. Okay, so this is my flow switch, and it's my circuit breaker. So when the flow switch is turned like this, you see that this guy here is energized. Okay, this guy here is energized. When I lift it like this, so in the tank, when the water is going down, this guy will turn like this. Okay, and when the water is coming up, this guy also will. That's why it's a float. So it flows on the surface of the water. Okay, so this is how it works. Now I need also to connect a motor here, but we don't have the motor, so I will use an LED light for this tutorial sake. Okay, so this is my LED light, and then we'll connect it here. Okay, then the neutral wire goes to, we get another cable and connect it to this side. Okay, then we'll take a power from this guy here. All right, so now we have given this guy a power. All right, so when this flow switch energized like this, you see that this LED light close, there's a current that flows from this guy to this one. Okay, so when I raise it like this, it de-energized. Now we don't have any current that flows in. So if this guy is a motor, when this guy energize it, you see that the motor will be running, and then when the water move up, it goes down. So guys, this is how we do the flow switch wiring, and this work automatic. Okay, so this can be in the water like this. When the poly tank is full up, this guy will off the motor, so you don't need human interface. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button. Whenever I put a new video, you'll be the first person to have it. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, and God bless us all.